And joining us right now is India Today's Maushmi Singh. Maushmi, clearly the LOP is being extremely clear about the fact that this is the only thing he wants to speak about. And he is also saying that the Prime Minister and the Defence Minister are scared of what he's saying.
Absolutely. This is the cause of the stalemate in the lower house, where you've seen three adjournments at 2:15, 3 o'clock, 3:05, and about right now when the house has been adjourned for 11 a.m. tomorrow. Clearly, there is no thaw in the entire tensions that have been prevailing in the lower house. First, we've seen how the battery of ministers. In fact, it was the charge was led by Rajnath Singh, who said that Rahul Gandhi was about to make unsubstantiated claims, and that is the point of contention between Rahul Gandhi and the Modi ministers. Clearly, the Prime Minister was also sitting there, and there have been at least more than 24 times when Rahul Gandhi has repeated that same line within those hours from 1:15. And we've seen that the House is adjourned to tomorrow 11 a.m. But one will have to wait and see whether there is any outreach from the government in terms of getting the House to function, because this is the motion of thanks on the President's address, and we've seen a logjam which is unprecedented. Rarely do we see such bitter replies and counter replies between the top brass of the opposition and the government.
Maushmi, we have the BJP MP Nishikant Dubey speaking about this. Let's listen in.
दुबे इस वक्त हमारे साथ बातचीत करने के लिए। सर, आपने भी खड़े होकर रूलिंग के बारे में बताया, आपने कई सारी चीजें बोली, लेकिन राहुल गांधी ये बात मानने को तैयार नहीं है। लगातार रूलिंग्स को ओपोज किए जा रहे हैं, क्या कहेंगे?
ये जरा दिखाइए। ये नेहरू जी कह रहे हैं जनरल करियप्पा के बारे में कि उसका जो है मानसिक संतुलन जो है बिगड़ गया। मतलब मैं जो आपको दिखा रहा हूँ अपने आप में एक बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें दिखा रहा हूँ। इस गांधी परिवार को कभी भी आर्मी के ऊपर, मेरे पास जनरल थिमैया का जो है उदाहरण है, मेरे पास जनरल करियप्पा का उदाहरण है, मेरे पास फील्ड मार्शल जनरल मानिक शाह का उदाहरण है। कभी भी उस विषय पर इस पार्लियामेंट में किसी ने चर्चा नहीं, रूलिंग नहीं। और नेहरू तो 2 कदम आगे बढ़े, उन्होंने जनरल करियप्पा को, जो इतने बड़े जनरल थे, उसको उन्होंने कहा कि उसका मानसिक संतुलन जो है बिगड़ गया है। तो मुझे लगता है कि जो नेहरू जी जनरल करियप्पा के लिए कह रहे थे वो उनके परिवार में लागू।
बार बार नेशनल सिक्योरिटी का हवाला दे देना, कह देना कि ये हिस्सा है राष्ट्रपति के अभिभाषण का, क्या मानते हैं आप? क्या मंशा क्या है राहुल गांधी?
कुछ नहीं, केवल मीडिया में जो है चलते रहना है। 4 घंटे से जो है राहुल गांधी को कोई पूछ तो रहा नहीं था, 95 चुनाव हार चुके हैं, तो 4 घंटे से मीडिया में चल तो रहे ना, हम आप देख तो रहे ना कि राहुल गांधी कुछ कर रहा है।
एक आखिरी प्रश्न, राष्ट्रपति का अभिभाषण बहुत महत्वपूर्ण होता है, देश की जनता जानना चाहती है बजट के बारे में, उस पर अब चर्चा नहीं हो पा रही, ना आपका जवाब दे रहा है। कई सारे स्पीकर जो है आज अज्जन हो गया पूरा हाउस, क्या आप पर्सनली कैसे फील कर रहे हैं?
लोकतंत्र पर भरोसा ही नहीं ना। कांग्रेस जो है पार्लियामेंट को पूरा डिरेल करना चाहती है, बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर के संविधान के ऊपर इसको भरोसा ही।
तो कांग्रेस जो है वो पार्लियामेंट को डिरेल करना चाहती है, ऐसा कहना है बीजेपी सांसद निशिकांत दुबे का। दिल्ली से पीयूष मिश्रा, आज तक के लिए। बीजेपी सांसद निशिकांत दुबे इस वक्त हमारे साथ बातचीत करने के लिए। सर, आपने भी खड़े होकर रूलिंग के बारे में बताया, आपने कई सारी चीजें बोली, लेकिन राहुल गांधी ये बात मानने को तैयार नहीं है। लगातार रूलिंग्स को ओपोज किए जा रहे हैं, क्या कहेंगे?
ये जरा दिखाइए। ये नेहरू जी कह रहे हैं जनरल करियप्पा के बारे में कि
So that was the BJP MP Nishikant Dubey making many accusations on Rahul Gandhi and also on his family, earlier family members. They're clearly stating that it is actually Rahul Gandhi, he says, who has lost his mental balance. In a way, he is referring to that fact when he sort of cites an anecdote about Nehru saying that for General Kariappa. And he goes on to say that it is actually now the situation in his family now. Joining us is India Today's Maushmi Singh once again. Maushmi, this one point of Rahul Gandhi wanting to say, as he says, those 5 lines is not going to die down easily. What are you hearing from your sources? What is his intention when tomorrow the parliament resumes at 11 a.m.?
I think Rahul Gandhi has made his intentions very clear, and our sources do tell us that Rahul Gandhi is not ready to budge from the lines the point that he is making. And he said that on the floor of the House when Jagdambika Pal was sitting on the chair. He went on to say that I am very clear that national security is the number one issue. And that's why when Jagdambika Pal said there are various other topics, you've already spoken whatever you wanted to say, and the ruling has already been given on this particular issue. Why don't you move on and talk about the other issues? So he said that national security is the only main issue that he wants to speak on. That really means that Rahul Gandhi is indicating either the chair decides that they move to the next speaker, but if they maintain that Rahul Gandhi can go on speaking further, he is not going to move ahead of those 5 lines that he wants to say in reply to what Tejasvi Surya said. He's reiterated it, but the government is also not blinking. The government has already made it very clear. There have been several interjections by Home Minister, several interjections by the Defense Minister. We saw even Nishikant Dubey and Anurag Thakur, continuously showing the rule book on the floor of the House and saying that Rahul Gandhi is not adhering to the rules. Even the Speaker went on to say that Rahul Gandhi as the LOP should act responsibly, and there is a ruling given. But K.C. Venugopal, in fact, interjected and said that the ruling was not correct. The rule says something else. It says that you cannot quote from a book without any context, is what
Right.
the Congress is saying. It is not saying that
Right.
the rule doesn't say that you can't quote from a book. So,
Right, Maushmi, let's listen to what exactly Rahul Gandhi has said after he stepped out from the session.
This is not me. This is the army chief. This is what the army chief has written in a book. The book is not being allowed to be published. It is languishing. And this is the army chief's perspective, his view. Why are they so scared of the army chief's perspective? Why are they so scared of what the army chief has to say? We learn something from it. Of course, we learn something about our Prime Minister. We learn something about Rajnath Singh ji, but we'll also learn something about our army and how they were let down by the political leadership of the country. That one second, brother. So that is ये मैं बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि नरवणे जी ने प्रधानमंत्री जी के बारे में, राजनाथ सिंह जी के बारे में अपनी किताब में साफ लिखा है. वो एक आर्टिकल में आया है. मैं आर्टिकल को कोट कर रहा हूँ. मुझे बोलने नहीं दे रहे हैं. मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. नारवाने जी ने ये किताब लिखी है. वो डरे हुए हैं क्योंकि अगर वो निकला तो नरेंद्र मोदी और राजनाथ सिंह की जो रियलिटी है वो लोगों को पता लग जाएगी कि जब चाइना हमारे सामने खड़ा था, आगे आ रहा था, 56 इंच की छाती को क्या हुआ था, उस लाइन में है पूरा. मुझे बोलने नहीं दे रहे हैं. मुझे बस 2-3 लाइन बोलनी है, उसमें सब पता लग जाएगा, बट वो बोलने नहीं दे रहे हैं. मैं कह रहा हूँ कि इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ नेशनल सिक्योरिटी. These are the words of Army Chief, serious leader of our forces, and it's a conversation that he has had with Rajnath Singh ji and also with Mr. Narendra Modi. All I'm saying is that I want to say in the House what the Army Chief has written. बस वही मैं बोलना चाह रहा हूँ. आर्मी चीफ ने क्या बोला है, मोदी जी ने उनसे क्या कहा, राजनाथ सिंह जी ने उनसे क्या कहा, क्या ऑर्डर दिया, मैं पार्लियामेंट हाउस में बोलना चाहता हूँ. पता नहीं इतने क्यों डरे हुए हैं.